When planning a home renovation, there's always one big question. Do I go for what's trendy right now, or play it safe with timeless design? In today's video, we're breaking down the pros and cons of both, and most importantly, how you can future-proof your home without sacrificing personality. Understanding timeless versus trendy. Let's start by defining the two. Timeless design relies on elements that have stood the test of time. Think neutral colors, natural materials, simple lines. It's not about being boring, it's about staying power. On the flip side, trendy design leans into what's hot right now. Statement tiles, bold colors, curved furniture. It can feel exciting and fresh, but it may date quickly. So, how do we strike the right balance? Areas to keep timeless. If you're renovating key areas like the kitchen or bathroom, stick with timeless for your foundation pieces. Think shaker or flat panel cabinets, stone or wood effect flooring, and taps or fittings in brushed chrome or black. Why? Because these spaces are costly to update, and you want them to age well, especially if you're planning to sell or rent in future. Where to add trendy touches? Here's the good news: you can still have fun with trends. Just keep them to elements that are easy to swap out. Paint colors, lighting, rugs, and cushions are brilliant ways to add personality without committing long-term. Love emerald green or terracotta. Add it through wall paint or soft furnishings. Just be prepared to update in a couple of years if it starts to feel dated. Future-proofing with flexibility. A big part of future-proofing is designing spaces that adapt with your lifestyle. Multi-use rooms, modular furniture, and clever storage will always be in style. Consider things like pocket doors, built-in storage, and movable seating. It allows your space to grow with you, whether that's working from home, starting a family, or just changing tastes over time. Renovation mindset. Trends come and go. Remember how everyone loved granite countertops in the early 2000s, or feature walls in deep purple? Trends have a short shelf life. What looks cutting edge today might feel tired in 5 years. So when planning your reno, ask yourself, will I still love this in 10 years? Will a future buyer appreciate this? If not, keep it flexible. Blend the two: timeless base, trendy layers. The smartest renovations combine both. Start with a timeless base, neutral walls, quality flooring, classic layouts. Then layer in the fun. Go bold with artwork, throws, lighting, even kitchen bar stools. This approach keeps your space feeling current without locking you in. So whether you lean classic or love a bit of drama, the trick is to build a solid, stylish foundation and let the trends sit on top. That way, your renovation won't just look great now, it will still feel fresh in years to come. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you more timeless or trendy in your style? Thanks for watching, and as always, happy home improving.